Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you one Huawei P Smart phone and we will see what this package brings to us, what is inside. The key features of this phone are 5.65 inches Huawei full view display, dual camera 13 megapixel and 2 megapixels. This phone comes with 3 gigabytes of RAM memory and 32 gigabytes of ROM memory. Also, you can unlock the screen with quick fingerprint unlock. So let's see what's in the package of new Huawei P Smart phone. What we have here is one brand new Huawei P Smart phone. As you can see, the screen protection comes with the new phone, so you don't have to buy a separate screen protection. As you can see, I hope you can see, there is screen protection. And now we will turn on the phone. So a little bit longer press, and let's see how long it takes to bring up the system. What we have in the package: here is this needle for opening SIM card slot, and also there are some instructions and how to use phone. Nothing special. In the package we have here cable for USB charger and these speakers for air speakers. So they are nothing special. I think this is too big for ear. Okay, nothing more inside. The phone is thin and beautiful. It lays good in hands. It's big, but it's short and perfectly lays in hand. We will enter later in menu of this phone, but before that I want to say that you can't open the battery cover, notice that, and also you can put in the same time both. This is dual SIM phone, so you can't put in the same time both SIM cards and memory card. So you have to choose one memory card and one SIM card, or two SIM cards but without memory card. Notice that before you buy this phone, if this is important for you, think about it. So that is, we will see later the specification of this phone and how to use it.